Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
You go avoid. Now you can see the people you are recruiting, the people you elected, they are turning against you. Wahala no go finish you. The people you recruited to yourself to help you fight are on the chest down. The people that were chesting it for you are not chesting you. You understand? The people when you go recruit, mean that they fight for you. The people when you give posts, mean that they back you up. The people when you recruit, mean that they help you to fire all your enemy. Why you go stand to be the leader, a leader that leads on other follow? Why we say you will be the leader? All of them will they under you, they can never pass you according to your ways. You are always on top. They go fit pass you. We're a leader here. Anyone around here feel aware because we're bad. They are always under you. But now you understand when a prophet comes, you understand. Then when a prophet sitting on the throne and I prophesy, and the prophecy must come to pass. You understand? You see that yoke of sitting upon the glory of your followers. I am on God. I sit on the throne of the most high God. I break that yoke by fire, by thunder. And as I break that yoke, those yoke, then they break when you see all your members, they break out from your cage. Not be joke. Now that yoke way I break. It's time we got bata or base ogun bazin. Now that yoke that breaks so where all your members are flying out. It's a shame and it's an error. It's an aberration that if you know you could not listen to Nisa. A mommy monokeke, my mommy monokeke, when she was saying, on rock bageg bin a man, any presenter red bin a man, and you come as yesterday, una do arrow here a lolo. Una had been a name Monica, and Monica was disgracing you out there, telling people that a presenter bageg bin a man, ewe muwe. Iwe ne we are egbe, ewe hin ivie. At the same time, GPCM religion, why having the Monica tell you why having no hallelujah, why not let you fake account, why got bully one, or my Monica one, why my name a picture of Yeladian, was one bully, a picture of even Wabuladian, Emily J. Infinity Saga, Spirit God sent. Ever Baron here, so why? One Italian here, Monica, no to Bua, no to Bua. One time when you hear Monica, and I'm movie Waladian, and I'm a picture you Waladian social media. Many be when I will or a manwa. Oh, I'm a picture you Waladian, I'm a picture of what my own Monica is GPC. It's unique and one because money just send one because you got batata basse. You understand? If you would have no one, there even who have no cool wine. What be a mono in a Gambia? A cocobirium, a micobirino biele, it may be pitching another dog because what? And my go away. But you have to body, what have you a pitching me with Viola Dina who are getting who. A kitano biele, I wish you were no biele. Il m'a vu puis il a dit il n'est pas il a de son ben because il y a ben banana or ben or zif higher way ben no my when we like binani ni ma wa wa hunda will no go in ya go on be or be fun of live video nia hunda we e vera of veloa e vera tinik be man wa dan yo e de no wa ya kadokade Ma wo wa social media na gbanu wa. Kini ni vera ke ya na wo kan gbanu ru wa. Kino le kino mai le. Ma wo wa no. Ma wo wa e wa no social media na. Wa you wa ke media. Anya video na. Video na ina ga book. Yes, Mamu. Now let me go and what you always need in Vera. Vera tell the Monica Monica for the bag Monica. We are not any man. We are not anyone. Oh, the Monica saw a live video senior. All defended after most frustration on this. After Logbo Joshua courageous. Hey God.
If he don't beat you, when we have the alerts here, so why will you accept that kind of person on our platform where we did? Because you only your own, now you know. Oh, we're why?
Yo, ask Yeki. Ask Yeki, why winning one?
So forget the Macau.
Ask Yeki. Our to toss one. When why any me I lawa bin kam kaya lawa bi hando ya pe well.
I was like, you know say love me and you know say you are a bitch of pipe when I fed that to now I come and say
well ta lo gbe we mu dia pe wa pa lo we ayo wa ko ni ko ti gba o mo ni aye yan gba do pe no mo na yo wa ko ko wa David na me gbe fa ko gbona be no mo na yo wa so ya fi adi
I go fight the battle. So I don't want you to get back. Note will not be my own. Now I saw if come outside, I come on, because I don't like us when it be said.
You say make I leave her alone.
You want to use us.
Glory. Say Frank, leave her alone. She did not do anything. She did not do anything. Did just be going after who doesn't wrong you. Are you sure? Glory. Like seriously? You sure? Okay. Glory. I just want to clear your doubts with the influence of alcohol. I just want to clear your doubts. Glory. I just want to clear your doubts. You understand? Glory. I just want to clear your doubts with the influence of alcohol.
Because matter when it don't finish, all of them now, the way now they like to they bring this matter. Which can apology, Monica, what they apologize. It will be almost your man don't know anything. You want to use your man, the corporate responsible men who get for social media. Now today, I want to analyze matter when it don't finish. You they call somebody a shishi because you sabi bully. A bully and a berak bijou, you sabi true.
Glory, they hear.
So really, now this man, are you really marrying and not be marry you?
Glory.
Another one carry you go throw away for Nigeria because he come because you use your money to marry Jerry. Jerry said, "Are you marrying? I'll tell him, man. Who will marry you?" Oh.
Glory. When you play video, no make
you are the same person carry the same such man.
Where Vera man know me.
Vera Mumuna say dance.
Vera man maybe the nice one deal with Vera. Yeah,
nothing that your man don't achieve. Now you go Italy, you go draw a leg. Oh. I they read the talk and say that boy he had see a born when like really because if you really see what they go on my lovely people, the way that boy they do, Frank or Mozuo.
Glory, you there.
The way that boy they do for this social media. I la paper when that boy don't receive. Now, here Bianca or freeze now. The sack now they hot, they low. Please share this video, guys.
Lovely. Una no say lovely matter, no go let me talk put. Lovely, no say lovely.
I just make I clear your doubt.
Una fed that to na own case before. That one no go let me talk put. Una fit set on say for what now? When that time when they set, now this woman come and say, now what picking, now waiting me they talk say they say she not care so far the kid they bring money for her. I was like, woman when suppose settle issue. Now no that thing the woman got the talk. You don't stop peace for the matter. How come now you don't feel wrong on this side? That side now they don't hear. Now this side now she come the wrong come. Now say which kind thing be this one? You understand? I tried to apologize and said no. This thing that is going on is not good. I beg, okay, man, I'll wait for Gladys. So I beg, man, I'll wait for now.
Yes, so my people, I agree to now. He said that's a year. Now this I call it on the come. One of the listener. Who is she talking to? Who Vera talk to? Okbaika and Monica. Since we have Baba with a smile and the software analyze my Akura Junction, Ologbo Avenue. She they talk to Okbaika when Okbaika decamp from PDP to APC. Man, stop me so. No, no, say Lolo and Monica. Now PDP and APC they be. You understand? People that decamp anyhow. See decamp system. They decamp anyhow. So now this one provoke. You understand? This one provoke this Manchester. This one. Now this one I be their youth leader. Now she be the youth leader. You understand? Now she provoke. She want coaching follow Monica. You understand? When I know one thing, when they always they believe. I know some people they believe. Some people when they didn't know what's in the talk, we get sense. They believe majority of the things where they talk here. They always talk, so they never know sense. This always sense. If you check Monica clearly, if you got wisdom, you check Monica clearly on live screen, you're gonna say she's not happy. Things happen around her day on daily basis. It's not normal. It's not. But she just trying to be a strong woman, pretending that this all is well. When anything ever is well. When the film so, she they pretend as if all it is well. When nothing they inside well. You the female. When this particular girl leave our organization, she feel her badly. She feel her. She did like the just say, if you want me to cover it, I will just cover it now. Me and Vera not get problem. No lie. No lie. You people are trying to play maturity, but you are not mature. Oh God. Vera and Monica are trying to play, they are trying to play maturity, but they are not mature. But between we that have wisdom, knowing, see, looking at the both of them, know that they have problem. Who go for boss and they fine. Who go for boss and there are some problem you have secretly, and you are a social person. You are the kind of person where you say anything happen, always come on here. You must bring out. You must peel that problem out. Publicly, one by one, gradually. You go to peel and come out. I'm waiting to happen to Vera. So she they peel the quarrel between she and Monica, the anger between she and Monica, the dispute between she and Monica. She they peel them little by little out to public to clarify her innocent girl, to clarify her that she's a sincere person, that she's a honest person, she's a truthful person. Vera is not a truthful person. When they tell you, she can only display all this to deceive people, to drag you innocent people to herself. She's not truthful. She's not honest. If she's truthful, she should first of all go and take care of her kids. She should go and take responsibility of her kids. She's truthful. A woman with 8 children, still behaving like a nuisance on social media. Fooling herself on daily basis on social media, try to show the people that I'm honest. I will tell once. We just tell the truth. I want to stand on tell the truth. I stand on my own. What are you standing for? Who fought against you? Who stand with you before? Nobody stand with you. You stand alone. Everybody on the social media stand alone. The only best way to stand with you than with God. You say you fight for me, I don't see you face to face. Mommy Monica, all of the people who are senior, all of my call Mommy Monica. When they listen to her, when they listen to the saga where they happen here. When they listen to their saga.
Wanna take them easy first. You understand me? Okay, now una not like when una dey set
thumbs up this video. Thumbs up the
receive
video.
and say, I don't fit do anything. I go fight the battle. Okay, now people don't still realize that they want to go to anywhere they like. You're not supposed to depend on una. You're not supposed to depend on una. Don't be alone as I be accept people without we not know. So if anybody not get come and say he accept your father, go down fine. I feel not say, no, they are not the first for you. This one not the first one. I feel not say no, Unu, now in fact day.
Beautiful.
Because I don't go.
Beautiful. I know the verse for you. I know the verse for you. Monica no want to Monica ko eguyo. Okponu eoji. Omasiyan teko. She did their gang. She did their territory. She know how they do. She know where they behave. You understand? He not reach Monica mouth. Even she mouth. She leaving the organization. Monica is not happy. It's not happy with her. You know her man. That one when she say, you are a strong woman. She do video to praise her. And like, oh no. Nare made the mind you have to come against her. She is trying to please this one, not to saga her. Just the way me and the saga her now. She's trying to cover this one man to be this one not saga her. Me very not con saga her. That is the reason why. She did that video. I've talked before. He cut her before. You know why I vele. Immediately go le guy ve. Also na. Odo tuide, odo eko tu no kado no. Ayoto no. Thomas osonu, who almost to be like gbo wala jan jagbo. Hunda we e bede gouvin no vere nyun so to. Awo career nwa. Immediately go le ya wo. De kokoya. Almost to jan jagbo. You understand? Adam yo. Oma so teko ogo kpunu yayi wa giyan ya GPC okpunu yayi eya minase iya GPC ke magwala wa yi wa bia wa ambassador ba magwanu
So bad, more they touch you for where truth today, my lovely people. Share this video, guys. More they touch you for where truth today. They don't turn the matter. So if you not get decided, say he want go here, he want go here. Okay, very fine. Nobody take permission before for say, okay, I want first stay with here, or I want first stay with this one. You have the right to go to anywhere you want to go to. Okay, now the thing now called the hot everywhere.
Also, I will do with their side to you.
The first, then I said tomorrow, you're not supposed first one now. You're not supposed first one. Because now they say me not they stay in one place. Me not they stay that I did me too. I'm not there here, I'm not there here. Okay, no get now when we say no get settlements now. With a bar is good.
Vera. Are you worried how we? You know the you know the me do. The problem with you, Vera, when I get group a group of Betty away. Ogbeti group away. What to buwe never igbina kuwe wegbina. Igbina ya no gbina no yaro wi waro wi dero yo tun ero ni here. O mami pele mo mi buwe. Ya gbugbo mi no gbina no. Now they understand what thing. Aga gbin yan yen mi no gbina ni. Just imagine, for example, let me use myself as example. I did do saga on social media here. They said they give me paper. I yellow paper. Before me know what they happen, if I just bring a comment on social media, say they bring a yellow pack for me. I then click me. A man on yellow lani, young like 50. A man need to put a man comment at all. No call o ibiri. Ni awa ati on yellow lani what you get. One on what you go na the boy matagere. You understand? Anyone who binano one. Anyone so look gear no gbina no way. You don't see them. When I bully message social media, you have never seen one person who say I stand for Frank Victor. Ni endo mo picture on Latian, or no rovier Latian. Not do asaga wani, not do your picture yakin wa making. They don't do that. They are mature and reasonable people. Have a conductor, have a samagon. A mona hano zebutedo. Ni rotu let ba here fefe. Ya gbinani mi lekpetu wina. Inwe mwizi ya ni kakame no tedu. Eya gbinani na ekpetu gina. Umeme ya de ya we e France même ni ye do vie picture wala dia. Ora droja. Iya iwo roja. In a matured and reasonable way. Ini ono gbinana wa. Onwa rubi onwa. Kawe mi no hona u emma. We no we take we vera we te mata. Eba we gido we nya go hona e te mata. Eba we gido we Monica e te mata na. Eba we nya na Monica ogbeti social media na. So ni mena ya go kege ni ade no we na we de ba Monica ro wi me. Oni ri e ma wo career we kin. Bed of the same feather flocks together. Undoma in favor when ya when I we gbe e when I ile. Eba we him stay ya o make no ri. Wọ́n kì í yé wúwo yàdó yá sí wọn ní kẹ́ àpáwọ̀ ìnà mi wọ́n wà kí. You understand me now? Àtàwọn wà á wí wà á rí nìyí. Wọ́n á lọ fẹ́ ní ayé gbogbo fẹ́ wà á rí nìyí. You understand? So, mana vera aguma bon.
As I don't buy you do well. If please let the social media, I will be so happy. Not be alone, Nasabi, you receive somebody. I'm not the stress I pass you. Did you put money in my account? Were you paying me every month? No. You were not paying me every month.
Okay.
I don't think I'll receive that answer. You will just sit down, pay for wait. A old woman. We're supposed to stand for the truth. Say no, when I not do like this, you don't do. Who be this? When I stop, I don't want gossip. Not call me, not gossip from my ear. Call social media, call certain one. Oriba. But because in the other side, good afternoon. Because in the other side, you quickly a present. Okay, well, you can kill the tall one because then only wants to be like. Both of you, no one not the lie. So we're not supposed to carry on the lie for the tall one. He said, Lolo can lie, she can lie, not be my friend.
What are you? And
I don't get where I belong. Not need to I did. Both of una the lie. And we see no lie pass out of una too. So now for us to define the truth, you're not supposed to pay. Anybody come. Oh, like.
Oh, we both of the lie. Now, for someone who find out lie pass on two. Say no, no, can lie. Both of una would on the lie. Oh, go to the goa. So, a ban where on rien. What the Tawana? Now, go on. What are you there? So, but where Monica told me? A ban where a Monica on, you know. Would you have go with the Peter Lawyer?
It's good. As I don't buy you do well. If please let the social media, I will be so happy. Not be alone, Nasabi, you receive somebody. I'm not the stress I pass you. Did you put money in my account?
Listen.
Were you paying me every month? No. You are not paying me every month.
Okay.
I don't think I'll receive that answer. You will just sit down.
Who is she talking to? Monica. Was Monica paying her every month? No. Monica was not paying her every month. And listen to her.
But when a old woman, we're supposed to stand for the truth. Say no.
Who be the old woman?
You don't.
Who be the old woman who's supposed to stand for the truth? Okbaika. You understand? We're supposed to stand for the truth. We're Vera they talk to now. Okbaika. You understand? Why damn it all? This is what I said. It was not the first day yesterday. We had to talk about it. Keep yourself out of all these children. I will be a caroma say, come and see you where. Do I have social media? This is example. My Bible part 2. You understand? This is a very good example. You understand it now? The whole grandchildren, grandmother who's supposed to be taken, who's supposed to tell it and say, hey, well, that down here, what down here, Vera. What down here, Vera. A band where you are joining on.
Who be this? Wanna stop? I don't want gossip. Not call me. Not gossip from my ear. Call social media. Call certain one. Oriba. But because in the other side, good afternoon. Because in the other side, you quickly a present.
Okay.
Okay, well, you can't kill the tall one because in only wants to be like. Both of you, no one.
Man. Because na other side, because biker they blast Lolo. Lolo that be the tall one. Also biker they blast Lolo. We'll just come kill Lolo. So because in that only Lolo something like you will be the Monica, you not see the lie. Now she did never the talk. Now, one hand, you embrace Okpaika. One hand, Monica embrace Okpaika. The same Monica, when they talk say, you know, the same person they fight for him. You know, you see how demonic that woman are. How she is. She just quickly drag Okpaika to herself. You understand? Because she wants to speak Okpaika. As she drag Okpaika to herself, Okpaika now they blast Lolo. They blast Lolo. She now that they use Okpaika, they fire Lolo. Okpaika na oyere aho or marry Monica or Gerieki. You understand? Listen, Adam here. When are they beat Monica?
So
When are they beat Monica? I know why they beat Monica. I know Monica is an evil woman. Now me put the beat her well for the social media. Because the time between the time we quarrel between Enogi and a Paddy Murphy, when Enogi decamp, Monica rush and grab her to herself. I call Evie. I mean, I don't talk this thing for live video. I called Evie, say Evie, tell Monica make she be careful of Enogi when she carry near body so. Wetin Evie tell me? He say Monica is a wise woman. Monica know wetin they do. Monica want use Evie, he want use Enogi to beat Eddie Murphy. After they use her finish, she go dump Enogi. That was what Evie tell me. That will tell you say Monica know wetin she dey do. And since then, anybody did the camp, she dey grab them. So in the camp, she grabbed them. The way she grabbed this Vera, grab a biker. But you hear me so? You understand me so? So she dey feel say she get sense. She don't know some that wise man. They here, I go dey cane her for the evil which they do. You understand? Today, now not be the same person which she recused. Now got the beat her so. The same Vera which she still recused. Now they beat her so. Every people which they recused, they beat her. The same way Stelles beat her too. The same way she recused Stelles to herself. Now Stelles wear her. Stelles yegbe. Just the wash. Madam, yo, what do no?
suppose carry let the laugh for the tall one here say Lolo can lie, she can lie, not be my friend. And I don't get where I belong. Not need to I dey. Both of una dey lie. And we see no lie pass out of una too. So now for us to define the truth, you're not supposed to dey pay. Anybody like it, he come. Who like it not to come? Who like it stay? Who not like it not stay? The truth of the matter is that now me hold that. Who know when they say I be GPC, I be this, now me hold that. So I'm not there again. When I found that person, they just not for me. You write out for your page. You say no presenter should fight for me. How come if any vehicle they fight for you yesterday?
Hello.
Now this one be the bias who they talk.
What
As they come outside, they say yesterday she come outside. You for tell and say no.
Yeah, I do like video.
I say that my presenter, I know you, I know you don't fight for me. You see where the bias for the court.
I read speaker. I dey hear you clear. I dey hear you clear. I say, I'm not putting on speaker. Okay, not the any group. Okay, clear. Clear. So don't clarify yourself now. As you clarify yourself, say, you want debate group in Monica now, you are free from my hand. You don't say you. Hey, not be waiting I talk for live video. You open your window foundation, make you solve the do the group, make people they join you. When with that? No, I never watch that one. Okay. Yes, I hear you. I put on speaker. I put on speaker. I mean, they hear. I put on speaker now. Okay.
Even when the love of that group downtown, when they bring out you, I know that they are group. Even the other way I take defend myself. Now group where they gather. Now they use their bring audio for me. Do they hear me?
Yeah.
I don't say any group. No, I leave me alone. I use God of Nazareth. But one of the better, men fire the Polycarry. I'm not a group. If I see me for their group, they go talk up.
Okay.
Did they hear me?
Yes. That's a nice one. That's
That group I come find for Weibo. As I know bridge. People bridge so. I don't try group of donation for my widow. Now group of Kokota. Make they come and they beat us. Now what they do? Now we go make I see say they talk they say a group. Even group the you.
okay.
But now we go.
Egbe go me na we mo ye gbe egbo ma ya we mo sileti. E mo try na ya graduate. We ma de back group o. Opa ka we gbe group e ma de back group Monica. O we ma de back group Monica.
Who not do well, I will talk to them. I don't pass that stage. I don't mind them again. You do well, not for yourself. You need to say, Pastor call me, wake me up. I don't get tired. I don't drop saga. I don't drop saga. If you say this woman, not carry me go YouTube and Instagram where they insult me. I'm not going to come outside. You don't hear me?
So all those women,
I really come out to all of them. You don't hear me?
yes.
When they bring that one, I can when I say they go around the men who are here. When they bring that one now, nonsense. Every talk.
I'm not making sense. I'm not making sense. Really. Yes, yeah, wait, just wait, never come out to wait. I mean, want to talk to you now. I just use your opportunity to talk to you. Yeah, your position now, you go where you understand? I think when we're you know, you are a mother. You understand? Easy man, we can I mean, as soon as you are supposed to come out when they go in that as a king, you need go the same thing you supposed to be doing as a mother. You understand? I think when you tell now, you're not supposed to. I know I go fear last I got a friend. I go you don't big pass those one. You understand now? Irrespective the way here in the irrespective within the Google. Man, I'm here anybody you know we will fight that person. I dey feel you. I dey hear you. I dey hear you. But what?
I get what I'm doing. Always a winner.
Edo has able you kill.
Children. I'm a mere about
il me hear you with them, you understand? Stay clear from there and give yourself respect as a grandmother. You know what we're old enough. You are the monkey in your look. This in Nigeria where you go. We mind.
Iwaju gbo, iwaju.
We were Nigeria better on mother abi wa ya kin man.
Victor, you go you
When we not have born again, e we dey go we young. You were Nigeria ya you go. E jog bi ba ni eje. No be lie. So thank you for clearing the hair. So thank you for clearing the hair. Say you not join their Ekem Agwalo group. Have Ekem Agwalo association. You understand? Ogi mahane umadeba.
This Vera beat me because you know kaya kwalo. You be your own do another topic. When you ever hear about it, oh boy,
The group is an evil group.
What do you want to to no mammy? Oh, me to take cut no my joke. Yeah, I'm your toto. One of the area comes. I'm your toto.
Akure.
Oh, we come here. If I'm not here, no lawyer. No making a contact lawyer. No making a toto. Mother star.
Okay, man. Thank you very much.
Every day, one moment toto. One moment to tell me when to toto. Eh, who no, I'm not toto.
Yeah. I let me to do it. I mean to do it. I mean who here me to do it. Akure. Olo Joshua. Ni gwa be have. Okay.
Why? I must see the end. Like, I don't want to face.
Thank you very much. Thank you. All right, now bye-bye. Okay, my people. Now here she says she not join a group. She not join those Betty group. The GPC Ekem Agwalo. GPC Ekem Agwalo.
When she got the fight, okay, why now? She won't got the preface. You see human being?
Hello?
That's human being for sure. They are like that. They will say something, but they are not going to abide to it. They're not going to abide to it.
Okay, me I put down speaker. You did GPC? Okay, you can just one answer now. Okay. Oh yeah, fire them.
Comment what people they write that they take they understand what she they talk.
Okay, we hear you talk to us.
What I want to talk about the last one where she they talk about Vera, where they say make Vera mind the own. You see, say they talk for the comment, they say you they pretend, and you just prove it that you are pretending. Madam, you are pretending, you just prove it. You did one side, but you they pretend. You know nothing concern you concern their quarrel. But then they say you all your children, they say you all the way they take a fight. You put yourself inside. What it concern you concern children. If you don't get relationship with all these children, they don't call they quarrel, call they send you video, maybe you can't date the middle now. Can you be matured for once? One, be matured. The only way I want get to tell her, make she stay matured. What it concern you concern small children. Now that you be the woman waiting for social media. Why other women not there inside? Why they not involve other women? Why they not send the audio come to the other women?
Okay.
Now you let yourself down. If you don't let yourself down, children will take you clean ground. Now that you did social media, see the way small children take you the clean ground. I still say you be rag. And the way you talk, you don't go even see change. What you concern you concern what you Vera they talk. Vera say no they there again. It concern you because they pay you say Vera they disqualify them. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much, man. God bless you. This is my good point too. Let's listen to Vera.
When she called the fight, when Nana even got the call that one. One that they bring the two arts. One that they bring this one for this one. One that they bring this one for this one.
She got point for that call.
Stand for the truth. Okay, they say yesterday, the other one they cry. You don't know why they cry. Some people did this social media, they go cry. They go cry before they go enter live video. You know if you use and compare. And speak there, so me get soft hearts. Sometimes now this one thing a person you also, it doesn't mean that I get problem when I did. I mean they cry. No. I feel your then I don't see that when they talk say, oh, I pity for you. Only that pity said tears go come out from my eye because I don't get that strong mind. So I go, doesn't mean that that person get money when you want pay or when you want pay, I make them cry. So we want to really know people when we say that they lie for this social media. When people say they don't want to make sure to get into this matter. When we say at the end, they will turn and go here, they will turn and go here, they will turn and go here.
I said, I bet you know.
I don't know.
I don't know. The better audio. I said, what in just a little advice I just get from Mama Baika. You understand?
Yeah.
As she come out for Lolo's side, she for just day alone. This one when we say you go come up for this side, come up for this group, go the other group. So it's not good. If they make children, they stay for finish. You be mature woman when people supposed to be respect for this social media. If you go the like this now, people will come the one they look down on you. You they try to tell her just now she don't want to take. Now so she's supposed to do. Not be say you come up for this side, you won't go this side. Where they don't like you before, when they say they hate you, because you don't come up for the other side now, they can't take you. They come back, they do say they like you now. Yeah. So Mama Baika, you are a mature woman, I beg. They behave like mature woman where you be. And the grandmother for that matter. When they let those children, they see you finish.